You see here? Look at this, Jerry. This is how you wash your hands. Then you put a little bit on it. No, just watch this. You put this on, okay? And then you wash it very, very clean. Okay? Jerry, watch this. You see? Look at this. I go like this, then I go up like that. Okay? And then you go here, and here, then you wash your thumbs. And then you go, exactly. That's how we wash the hands, okay? Every time you come and you eat, you wash your hands very thoroughly. And you wash it 20 seconds minimum. But make sure to wash the back of your paws and your fingers like this. There you are. Now we can go, Cherry, watch this. Now we go and we wash it off. Exactly, and everyone should do that. Everyone should wash their hands at least 20 seconds and do it as many times as possible. I wash my hands a minimum of 50 times a day. Anything that I do, I wash my hands over and over and over again to be safe, myself and for everyone else. Now we're talking, you see? Jerry, now we have clean hands. And now, you see when I touch you, you're not going to get the virus. Yeah. See? That's how we do it. Exactly. There you are. Mm-hmm.